It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali Diesel. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. You'll notice this Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in the leather interior seats, a panoramic sunroof up above. To the left of the steering wheel is the heads-up display button, telescopic steering for that steering wheel. We've also got the park brake, lane departure alert, park assist, traction control, hill descent control, auto stop start, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, the lighting buttons and dials, as well as the trailer brake. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we've got our audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using those arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. We've also got the power liftgate button and the buttons to fold our rear seating down. Here we have the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the mirror. To the left, far left, is our engine push start button. We've also got the park reverse drive buttons. Here we have our touchscreen infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. We're able to control our rear media center from here, and this doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Below are the dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, as well as our rear climate control buttons, heated and cooled front leather seats. We've got some USB and power plug-ins, and we also have a wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. We've got 22-inch bright machined aluminum wheels. At the front, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, fog lights, a 3-liter turbo diesel engine under the hood. Side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the turn signal indicator. Power retractable running boards down below. Rear tinted windows, roof rails up top. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, we've got the power lift gate. We're going to pop that open using the key fob, pushing that button twice. In the back, we've got lots of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold the second and third row seating down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door, we've got power locks, power windows, that wood grain trim, and a storage compartment down below. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, and we also have our rear media center where you're able to connect via USB, listen to music, watch the navigation screen. The panoramic sunroof carries into the back. On the back of the center console, we've got 2 cup holders, the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, we can use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the side of the seat. In the back, we have 3 additional seats, some cup holders, and USB-C plugins on either side. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Yukon Denali Diesel today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.